Hey, Year 12, welcome to week 2 of term 4, week 4 in your revision schedule. I'm just going to talk you through this week's work. So here goes. Only 50 days now to the geography exam, so making sure we're getting plenty of work. Remember, if you haven't already done so, make sure you complete all the activities from week 1, 2 and 3. Click on the button to take you to week 4. I'm just going to go through what we're going to be doing. Obviously, when we get to that week, you'll have, this is where you obviously find this video. The first thing I've got some questions about cross sections and vertical exaggeration as well. There's also some gradient questions to go on. So there's some cross section and vertical exaggeration. And what I've done, I found another video. These are some geography teachers from Maitland who are really good, and they've got a YouTube channel as well. So watch their video first before you answer those questions. Make sure you understand what vertical exaggeration is. It's related to gradient and cross sections. A cross section is just obviously almost like a line graph that shows height and the distance between a transect or points A and B, and it just shows that if we change the vertical scale, we can actually make the cross section look flatter than it is, and working out how much you exaggerate that distance on the vertical scale is basically what vertical exaggeration is. So have a look at that. It really does help with your skills. Not quite sure whether it will come up, but it's definitely on the cards that will come up, particularly multiple choice. So make sure you look at that first and answer those questions. And then we've got for like Tuesday's task, I've got a really good different type of map with 5-year population change in dots. Again, this is sort of like a thematic map, and just talks about where Europe's major cities are going to change. And I thought that was really good because it helps you explain, sort of the spatial patterns of mega cities. And you can look at some of the spatial patterns of where some cities, some regional metro areas are decreasing. They're not necessarily increasing, and that relates to the spatial patterns of mega cities and world cities. So I put that in to obviously, hopefully, to improve your general knowledge around that, and hopefully, if there's a question that comes up, that will help you. I've got the ecosystems at risk first half of the syllabus that Mad Dogs asked for to do. So what I've got is just what we're going to be looking at, and I'll be going through this on the Zoom in more detail. These are just some revision notes that we've got there, and I'll just be going over and going through. And then I've just stopped here at the past HSC questions. I've turned those into an ecosystems at risk sort of revision. So that's what you can do for Thursday as well. Go over those questions, and then I've put feedback in there so it'll be self-marked, so you get feedback straight away. So do that. And then on Friday, I want you to try and put an extended piece of writing together. Up to you how you upload it or send it to me. But yeah, I want you practicing your writing. So that's what I've got planned for this week. I hope you're enjoying it. And if you've got any questions, email me or see me in the Zoom. All right, thanks guys. Have a good week. Catch you later.